Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic work, power and energy. Okay, in this topic, the two questions are asking in NEET level and one question asking in JEE mains and advanced level students. Okay, the first the introduction in this chapter work, power and energy. So work is done when a force moves its point of application and along the direction of its line of action. The two cases is there students. The first case is a man is pushing the block along the surface. To move a block by a distance is S. This is case 1, is easily moving from one place to another place. And the second case, if another person is pushing a block, the same block is moving along the surface but against the wall, so no displacement is acting. The two cases, which case is work is done? The first case is work is done. The work is defined as when a force is acting on a body, the body is displaced from one position to another position. That is called work done. The first case is work is applicable. The second case, the block is not moving because the wall is against the wall, the not moving. Okay, work done can be calculated by three ways. First one is work done by area under force displacement curve. Work done by area under force displacement curve. Second one, work done by a constant force. Third one is work done by variable force. Okay, these three ways students, to find out work done. First one is area under force and displacement curve. The second case, work done by a constant force. Third one is work done by a variable force. The first to discuss work done by area under force displacement curve. Force displacement curve. First to draw a graph. The force is acting y-axis, displacement acting x-axis. Let a body whose initial position xi acting by a variable force. The variable force means whose magnitude changes continuously and acquires with velocity final position xf is changing from xi to xf, that is initial position to final position students. Then work done is equal to integration xi to xf f dx. Therefore work done is equal to integration xi to xf area under curve between xi and xf, the initial position to final position. This is the work done by area under force and displacement curve. The next discuss problem, students. Discuss, students, two problems based on the force displacement curve. First problem, find the work done by a constant force F is displacing an object by 3 meter as shown in the figure. Okay, very simple problem, students. So draw the curve displacement force. Okay, it is a Newton and in this one meter. The 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. A constant force, students, a constant force 3 Newton. In this figure, constant force is equal to 3 Newton is displacing by an object along the x-axis. X is equal to 3 meter. Therefore, work done is equal to area under force displacement graph 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 joule. This is the first problem. It's a very important and very easy method, students, in this one. The second one, a force F acting on a particle varies with the displacement. Find the work done by the force in displacing a body from minus 2 meter to 2 meter plus 2 meter. Minus 2 is situated in the third coordinate, plus 2 meter is situated in the first coordinate. This is the coordinate system. Minus 2 meter to plus 2 meter. This is the minus 2 and this one is the plus 2 meter. He is passing through origin. Okay, in this way, students, in this way, very simple diagram. The work done by the force is equal to the area under the curve. The work done is equal to, first take this one, so triangle shape, half into minus 2 base into height minus 2 plus in this area half into base 2 and height also 2. Okay, minus into minus plus half into 4 plus half into 4. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The 4 joule. Okay, displacing a particle is moving from minus 2 meter to plus 2 meter. That work done is 4 joule. Now third problem, students, is very important problem in the NEET and main and advanced level students. Find work done at the end of displacement 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Okay, in this one, okay, in this figure, this is the origin O, this is a point A, is a B, M, N. Just enough, only asking so two values at the end of displacement 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter, students. Okay, first so work done W is equal to first area of OAM. at the end of 20 second, 20 centimeter, area of OAM. Okay, this shape is a triangular shape, triangular area of triangle formula half into base into height, half into base 20. So 20 centimeter student. So 20 centimeter to get into meter. 20 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 into, okay, the force is also Newton student, into 10. Half into 200 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, these 2 and 2 zeros cancel. This is cancel. So remaining 1 joule. The area of OAM, the triangular shape OAM, area of triangle formula half into base into height. The base is a 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter to get into meter. 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter. 20 centimeter to get into meter. 20 into 10 power minus 2 into height. The force is a 10 Newton. Okay, 20 into 10, 200. 200 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 right in 200 by 100. 100 ones, so 100 twos. 2 twos to cancel. So remaining 1. 1 into joule. 1 joule. Next to at the end of 40 second. At the end of 40 centimeter students, OABN. Work done is equal to area of OABN. Then work done is equal to OABN. So two type of bodies is there student. First OAM, one body. Next ABMN. This is the second body. The first one is the triangular shape. Second one is rectangle shape. So very simple problem student. Area of OAM plus area of AMBN. Okay, first one is a triangular shape, second one is a rectangle shape. So W is equal to, work done is equal to half into 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 plus area for rectangle. So rectangle in this 20, length into breadth, length 10 power 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 10. Okay, this one total is 1 joule plus this one also okay 2, that is equal to 3 joule. Okay, 0 0 is cancelled, remaining 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 joule. At the end of 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter, so 20 centimeter is 1 joule and next to 40 centimeter that work done is equal to 3 joule. This is the problem. It's a very easy problem students. So hope you like this video students. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.